Hi YouTube, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that button, that way you won't miss out on any awesome videos. So in this video today, I am going to talk about the beginning of my nail journey. So for the first time, I did my own nails. So I'm going to explain how I came to doing my own nails. Not the full process, but basically what I did and how it turned out and what I learned from it. So if you want to learn more, or if you're interested about hearing my experience, keep watching. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you guys my nails really quick. These are encapsulated glitter nails, so I'm just going to focus on one. And this is my first time ever doing nails. So basically what happened was I was always going to nail techs. I was always really interested. Like, I was one of those people who, when I got my nails done, I didn't look at the person the whole time. I was just watching what they did because I was so interested in learning the process and learning different things about it. And after years and years of getting my nails done, I was just like, I'm gonna try and do it myself. Not necessarily because of, I mean, in the last couple of months, honestly, I'm trying to find a new nail home, and it's been a struggle going to different people, and it didn't necessarily turn out the way I wanted. Or the place that I love, that I liked the most, it was like really far from where I live. So then it was like, ugh, I don't want to have to travel out here every time I want to get my nails done. So I started watching all these YouTube videos and learning more about nails, and basically realizing that everybody starts from someplace. Like, people don't just wake up and they're like master blaster nail techs. Like, they tried one time, and then once they tried, they realized that they liked it and they could do it, and then they kept doing nails. So I mean, not that I necessarily think I'm about to go on a nail tech journey, but I honestly don't even know, because I did it the first time and I actually liked it. So I mean, one thing I will say is that the chemicals are strong. So I did have a construction mask on, that way I wouldn't necessarily be breathing all the chemicals in. But in terms of doing that as a profession, that's something that I'm not sure that I would really be interested in going with it fully, because I am concerned about that, and I need to do more research and learn about that as I continue this process. But this is the first time doing my nails. I think they came out really great. They are too long, and I wish I would have filed them down more, but I was a little nervous using, I did buy like an e-file nail drill, but because I am a beginner, I was just like, I do not want this drill to like go through my fingernail bed and I'm like spend my weekend in the hospital. So I did do a lot of hand filing, so that did encourage me to leave the nails at this length, because I was just like, alright, this is a lot of filing, and eventually I think that it's going to be too much. But I did find like a pink glitter. I did get this nail glitter from Long Nails. What's her YouTube? She's a YouTuber, and I want to say it's Long Nails Pretty Hair. I feel like that's her name. I'm going to leave her information in the description box correctly, because her videos helped me so much. Like, I was watching it and kind of looking at her different techniques and how she did things. She even has a video about how she did stuff on her non-dominant hand, and that was really helpful for me because I'm a righty. So this hand, I feel like, definitely looks better than this hand. But they both came out super cute, and I think I did an awesome job. So this is a really unique experience for me. Like I said, I've been getting my nails done for years, so at least 15 years I've been getting my nails done, and I was just like, I want to try to do it on my own. I love the different colors and the creations, and it's kind of, not that I didn't have the awesome nail techs that were giving me amazing nails, because you guys see my nails in past videos, but in terms of your artistic expression, it's so much easier to just do it yourself instead of trying to explain to someone like, no, do that, do this, do that. Also, they're professionals, so they're just like, I know what I'm doing, like, why you keep telling me what to do? But at the same time, then you feel like the customer, so you want to get exactly what you want since you paid for it. So I could just miss that whole stage by just trying to do it myself. So I think they came out really pretty. It'll be a test to see whether or not they how they fare over the next couple weeks. I usually only get my fill-ins once a month. I have a feeling that since I am not a professional and this is my first time, I don't know if it's necessarily going to last that long, but they're super pretty and I really love them. I hope that you guys can see the glitter inside. I think my camera's doing them justice, but it's definitely hard to see. They're stiletto nails. So that's usually, I was wearing coffin nails for a long time, but I decided to go back to stiletto. So I'm really excited about doing my own nails, and I'm really looking forward to experimenting more and trying different techniques and products and learning more and seeing where I end up going on this journey. So I'm so excited. I did my own nails. They're acrylics. They're nice and solid. I did use the Séché Vite gel-like top coat, and I love it. It dries instantly almost, and it looks so shiny, and it like brought the nails to life. So I'm really excited about this whole experience, and I'm definitely going to be doing more nail videos. I don't think I'll be doing a full-on instructional showing you guys how I do it, because like I said, I'm not a professional, so I might not even be doing it correctly. But I'm definitely going to talk about some of the products I use, that way you guys could try them out and give you guys like reviews and more information on it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that way you can check out skincare, hair care, beauty, makeup, all the videos, and I will see you soon.